Today at Contra Costa Powersports, we have a 2021 Triumph Tiger 900 GT Pro. This bike has approximately 18,200 miles and is offered for $13,999 here at Contra Costa Powersports. If you're looking for a 900cc adventure bike, this thing is loaded. It has a top case on the back, also has GV saddlebag mounts if you want to put some nice GV saddlebags on there. Comes with an aero exhaust, engine guards, lower engine guards, a skid plate. There's two different types of fog lights on it, and all the other standard Triumph adventure bike features. This thing is dialed in and ready to go. It's been gone through by our service department. We did an oil change and a safety check on it, and she's ready to ride. Let me give you a little show some of the other controls you have here on it. We also have pictures on the web if you want more pictures of all the different features on it. We can provide financing as well as an extended warranty on this bike. Check us out on the web at contracostaps.com, where at any given time we'll have 40 to 50 quality pre-owned bikes just like this one.